We talk football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. FNB Stadium, 15 August 2026. Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns. Wena momurao mo. Ndate Mruti.
Baba,
How are you feeling?
I am not feeling well.
You are sick.
I'm sick because when I'm out, you're not feeling well.
Yeah.
You're not feeling well, ne?
Yeah.
But not much.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling well because of tomorrow.
What's going down?
Tomorrow kuhlangane abanye abantu bahlangene kusasa.
Kuhlangane obastet.
Yo,
Kuhlangane izinja.
kuhlangene Pitori,
Kuhlangane inkalakatha.
kuhlangene.
Yeah.
Abanye bathi labe side lele la Soweto bathi asiyobona if ever kusuwina kusasa. Shithi hayi khona into izayo the cruise ozana into siyayithatha league. Labanye bathi Sundowns ehlile bathi hayi mayingashaya kusasa ishaya Chiefs.
Yeah.
Hayi bathi hayi no, Sundowns ileague iyayithatha iyayidefend.
Yeah.
So that's angithi ngiyagula man igame yokusasa angi understand. Yazi igame enjani?
Yeah.
Le game esemnyameni. It's a game of darkness.
It's a game of darkness.
Ayiqedisi ukuthi kwenzekani usasa.
A game of darkness.
Emnyameni.
Yeah.
Yazi,
how is it the game of darkness?
Both teams are in darkness about tomorrow's result. Yazi
no one is sure what's going on.
Ngiyaqala kubona igame ye-Chiefs le-Sundowns. Esikhathi ndlulile ne.
Yeah.
We used to say vele yo win i-Sundowns ku-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Or vele Chiefs yo win ku-Sundowns.
Yeah.
But manje
kumnyama.
Kumnyama.
What is causing the darkness?
Into ezenzeka kusasa, it will shock people.
Yeah.
It will shock a lot of people. Yazi why ngithini?
Yeah.
I'm sorry angibuza ngile question. Mina ngibona amakhosi azowina kusasa and high score azohlambalaza iSundowns. That's why it's a game of darkness.
Yeah.
Kuphelile lokho ukuthi from 6/2022 iSundowns lokho ishaya iChiefs endini. Kuphelile because ngibona umnyama la.
So when you look you have a reason why you say so.
Yeah.
What's your reason to say Kaizer Chiefs can overcome Sundowns? What are the points that you have taken?
The point is there are a lot of machines as Kaizer Chiefs. A lot of AK-47s.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngiyaqala ukubona Chiefs say going back to playing with wing plays.
Yeah.
Yeah. And manje nangu umunye ngathi lo Da Cruz lo ne uvusa ama-player lawa abantu ama-player eChiefs bomadondo bathi hayi bafile bomthetho bonyamboza. Nangu unyamboza uvukile.
Uvukile unyamboza.
Udlala ibhola lesiliyaziyo unyamboza. And wona madlala so. Luku national team uyakhona ngiyokutshela.
Yeah.
Unyamboza lo sethi hayi akusiyo basinike inyamboza wrong. Yeah. So into ama-points ubona ukuthi kunemishini lapho eKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kunemishini mawubheka uphili. Udlala ngathi kudala adlala leKaizer Chiefs.
Umfana waseMaritzburg.
Hayibo. Mali bamba ulenza so.
Yeah.
Ulenza so. Hey, nangu vela bay, nangu Bartmay. And le goal ayikorile izomphakamise. Angisakhuluma ngemfundo Vilakazi.
Yeah.
Shotha umuntu oyi-1 bangena igemini.
Yeah.
Abona lo wakashabalala lo.
Mtutuzi.
Lale goal lizomphakamise.
Yeah.
So that's why ngithi it's a game of darkness. Mari yes darkness which is darkness in.
Yeah.
Do you know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iya kule game la eFNB iyazi ukuthi angeke wina ngalento mina ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi iChiefs izowina nge-high score.
Yeah.
And iSundowns iyazi ibheke status quo ukuthi vele iKaizer Chiefs yayishaya and kuyoqhubeka kanjalo. It doesn't matter noma bathi ivukile sifuna ukuyibonisa ukuthi ayivukangi iSundowns is still the best but ekugcineni iChiefs iyoshaya iSundowns. That's why ngithi it's a game of darkness. Igame isemnyameni into sikhuluma namhlanje ne.
Yeah.
Abaningi bantu lento bayikhulumayo.
Yeah.
They will talk like me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because Chiefs will shock the people. Ngibona umsindo ugcwele wonke eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Angisakhulumi ngeSoweto.
Yeah, my dad.
angisakhulumi imoto zoxhasa ipipi ngathi ngikise ipheli as ashilo chairman we-Orlando Pirates umessage wakhe uthi bathathana indebe nibanika sebathathile league within 3 games seyithathile Chiefs and mayingawina kusasa mayiwina the way ngisho yona izoba namandla kakhulu and wazi abantu be-Chiefs bakwazi ukuyifaka Chiefs bayayifaka uyakhumbula Bank Cup Orlando Pirates Chiefs didn't deserve to win that cup but abalandeli bafaka umsindo ama-player ma-atrain natural hayi mele siwine uyabazi bathini so that's why it's a game of darkness. Sanders will be shocked. People will be shocked by what the performance that Kaizer Chiefs will be dishing out tomorrow. And more back, it is many touches. Tika man, angazi ibonini. Nale 1-0. Good is just biggest score good 1-0 Kaizer Chiefs because the arrows. But when you look at on the field of play, Kaizer Chiefs was playing a highest type of football. I'm supporting Kaizer Chiefs. Ngisupporta i-team le isupporta yona but now ngikhuluma i-reality lento ngiyibona is a game of darkness. It's yona it's in darkness ukuthi yowina ngayo score ayazi iyayithuke yazi ukuthi God
Sundowns inayo
yesipita lama 5 minutes Sundowns yona isuka ithi ayazi nayo le isathuka ngale performance
kusho ukuthi uthi uzophinda kuzophinda le yanto yenzeka ngesemifinal ye-Nedbank Cup lapho khona uDuba exoshisa uSuarez emsebenzini.
Exactly. Just yes ukuthi vele le isishayile man mesiqinisa. You see at the end of the game. Sometimes yes siyaqhubeka nalama 4-0 nalama 5-0. That's like it's a game of darkness from both teams.
Everyone is in the dark.
Everyone is in the dark
except you.
And le game yokusasa is going to seal your fucking stamp. Kudin Dagros is a right coach for Kaizer Chiefs.
I remind you the disaster we have right now. The disaster we have right now is for Mzansi number 1. Already they conceded 6 goals.
Ronwan Williams.
Already they are conceded 6 goals already.
It's a game of darkness.
Mzansi number 1. Mzansi number 1 mayesekwazi ukungenelwa amagoli awu-6.
Kuthi
manje kumele si-expecte ini. That's why ngithi kusasa amagoli maningi kakhulu. Pastor, it's true. Sasa sobona into ezinzima kakhulu la FNB because it look like if i-Sundowns ayimshenji
uRonza
the goalkeeper number 1 that's number 1 shukuthi kusasa right now una-6 goals osomngenele
lokuthi amabhola angena ngesibopho always
amagoli wonke seconsider 6 goals kwi-Polokwane City kwi-MTN ungenele mani
2 le kwangena
le kungene 2 ama-penalty bashaya azangawina ngama-penalty babona
hayi baba angisangenelwe 4
usangenelwe 4 sibona la sethi ungenelwe 4 shukuthi uMzansi number 1 mayengenelwa 4 goals manje 4 goals manje
Mzansi number
1 lodwa shukuthini egemini efana neyakusasa Kaizer Chiefs isado kwi-90,000 capacity
almost
plus ama-waiters
plus ama-security
plus security
plus u-referee.
That's why my little prayer is kwangathi uMr Referee igame angangayimoshi. Let the game ibe fair.
Flow
for everyone.
Yes.
Because we expecting ibhola elimnandi kusasa. Kodwa mark my words. Mzansi number 1 already they consider 4 goals.
And another thing, asibheke ku-midfield sine concern lapha uMkwena sustain an injury ngisho iTubuko Mkwena the midfield anchor for South Africa for Sundowns and now I believe they rested not to injure ngeke adlala game they rested him on the previous game so that banga risk going to this game with Mkwena play on that one.
Okay, Mfundisi Sivale iscore sithini
iscore mina ngithi 3 Kaizer Chiefs 0 Sundowns.
3 Kaizer Chiefs, 0 Sundowns. That is not our prediction. That is his prediction. We Talk Football SA.